Ikonta 524-2 is a 6x9 camera, 120 film, and that's what we're going to be shooting with today. Made in the early 50s, I think 50 to 52, something like that. Some call it Ikonta 3. Let's get out and about in this wind and take some pictures. So yeah, we're going to use an old folding camera. We have black and white film, 120. But this being a 6x9 camera, it's going to take 8 pictures, where a lot of you have 6x6 cameras, folders, and they take 10 pictures. But this one here will only take a better picture, just right out into there. Catch that post on that plateau there. Okay, took another picture. I'm not real sure if this is private land or government land. Sure, it's private where it's fenced, and I know there's a fence that runs through there, out in there somewhere. It's probably private, and there's a fence that runs out in this way, so I would say it's private to the west of that. But where I'm at right now, I'm not real sure. This might be government. So this will wind up this video. So please, if you like this video, take a subscription so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. And until next time, we'll be somewhere out and about. Then I'll see you in the next video.